pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium lines the airways. Let's look at it on the trachea preparation. So, trachea, cross-section, low magnification. Each surface epithelium is located at the interface of the internal environment of the body and the external environment. Therefore, on the preparation looks like a strip on the inner surface of the organ. Consequently, the inner surface of the trachea is lined with a pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium. Pseudo or false stratified means that this type of epithelium is simple but looks like stratified, because the nuclei of epithelial cells lie in several rows, means they are at different levels. It is primarily due to variation in shape of the cells, which have different heights. That means that their nuclei are also located at different heights. Every cell is in contact with the basement membrane, but not all cells reach the apical surface. The basement membrane is located between the epithelium and the underlying connective tissue. Here it is. However, it is not visible on the preparation due to its small thickness, means its thickness is less than the resolution of a light microscope. The nuclei of epithelial cells located at different levels due to the fact that there are several types of cells in this epithelium. The cell types on the preparation are determined by the location of their nuclei. The bottom row is formed by the nuclei of basal cells. These are stem cells. The middle row is the nuclei of the intermediate cells. These are transitional cells. They are at the stage of differentiation. Also in this row are the nuclei of goblet cells, large rounded cells with a finely colored cytoplasm. Goblet cells are single glandular cells that secrete a mucus secretion. And the top row are the nuclei of columnar ciliated cells. These cells are tall, connected to the basement membrane by a thin pedicle. Their apical pole reaches the lumen of the trachea. They have cilia on the apical surface. The apical surface of epitheliocytes covered with a mucus secretion. Dust particles stuck on the mucus. So briefly, on this preparation it is necessary to determine pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium. The lower row of nuclei are the nuclei of basal cells. The middle row are the nuclei of intermediate and goblet cells. The upper row are the nuclei of columnar ciliated cells, goblet cells, cilia. Dust particles.